So I met with a new student this week, and it caused me to think about my own tendency to skip over some of the relationship building or intentional kindness when I feel like there is too much to accomplish in a short amount of time. And that's exactly what was going on. I had kind of a long assessment to try and get through with her, and we only had an hour together. However, knowing the importance of building that relationship, I pulled back and just took some time to ask a lot of questions and really start to get to know who she was. And it was so cool to see the connection that started to take place as we took a little bit of extra time at the beginning. I know it affected the rest of our time together for that session and laid a foundation for our future times together. And even more than that, at the end of the session, she told me that she trusted me, which was just, it spoke volumes to me that at the end of 1 hour together, we had already developed some sort of trust. So take the time, guys, with your kids, with your students. It's always worth it.